What is going on, everyone? Leon checking in, and we're at it again with more content. And today we're here to talk more about the OnePlus Open. And ladies and gentlemen, I gotta say, I really like this device. It's packed with quite a bit of features here, which I'm hoping to cover as time progresses here, so that you can be informed and decide if this is the device for you. But I don't think you would be disappointed if you were to pick this up. So I am very happy with it for the time that I've had it, and I keep finding new things. And that brings us to the newest thing that I'm most excited about. We have transitions built in. So you can see that as I swipe here, we get this nice futuristic looking transition. I love little features like this that are packed into devices. This is in the UI for Oxygen OS. And normally something like this you would find in a launcher like Nova Launcher. That's been a favorite of mine. And from my experience, it doesn't play too well here with Oxygen OS and the OnePlus Open, but maybe that will change in the future. But even though I can't use Nova on here, and I'll have to check, what we do have built in seems to be really nice. We do have that customization. Now, although we have this feature built in, it's not flawless. There is at least one issue here, which we're going to mention in this video. But for this content, we're going to talk about how to customize the transition. So all things said, let's go ahead and get into it. So let's cover how to customize the transition. We're going to look for an open area on our display and press and hold. And then we're going to get this menu at the bottom. It's like a sliding menu here, so you can use your finger and slide it. And we're going to look for transitions and tap on that option. And that's going to change that sliding menu to a menu showing all our transitions. And there are going to be a total of 6 here, which includes the default. The default is minimal here. And if we pick one of these, we're going to go with the roll option. It's really cool because you get a live demonstration of it, but you can also play with the option before you select it or apply it, which there is an apply option at the bottom. But we're going to run through all of these really quick. So again, we have default. It's going to be very minimal if you like things basic. We're going to have the roll option. Then we're going to have the cube option. I really love the cube. It's kind of simple, but it's very futuristic at the same time. I love when you just do the cube. It's just, that transition is just so modern and futuristic. And then we're going to have the flip option. That's pretty cool. We're going to have a card option. That's kind of minimal. It's basically like the default, but with a slight change up. And then we're going to have tilt. And tilt kind of reminds me of the reverse of the cube. You know, it's kind of backwards. It's kind of like the opposite. So we've got the tilt there. I'm going to pull up the cube. And the cube is kind of like inverted, I guess would be the terminology if I get that correct. But there is a slight con here. So here I have the OnePlus Open, and this device unfolds really smooth and it folds smooth. And I finally have a hinge case on it, and it looks really nice and it functions really well with a hinge case. I'm hoping to cover that in a future video. But let's talk about the cons. So we are on the main display. Now, if you don't know much about foldables, the main display is going to be that larger inner unit, and the outside is normally referred to as the cover display. But what's going on here is transitions seem to not function on that main display. If we press and hold here, you can see we get that menu at the bottom again, but transitions are missing. And furthermore, if we back out here and we swipe, I don't have that transition. It's just very basic. Now, I don't know if this is because of the aspect ratio of this inner display, this main display, and maybe the transition wouldn't look so nice here, but I would like to see the transition also on the main display. That's something that you do see on launchers like Nova, where you can make the transition work for both the cover display and the main display. But who knows, this can be changed with an update in the future, and I would totally welcome it. I love the transitions that you can enable, and I love consistency, and I would love to see this applied consistently across the device. So that is it for today's content. As always, thanks for watching, and may the universe flow in your favor. And until next time, Leon checking out.
you.